Let me first of all clarify all of you that finance and accounts is not the same. Probably I would say that where the accounting ends, the finance starts from there.
नमस्ते, मैं अमोल बख्शी आपका होस्ट हमारे इस नए YouTube चैनल पे जिसका नाम है अर्थार्थ। इस चैनल पे फाइनेंस से जुड़ी हर वो चीज़ आप सीखेंगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट, टैक्स प्लानिंग, अकाउंट्स या फिर लोन्स। पैसा कमाना कैसे है, बचाना कैसे है, उड़ाना कैसे है और बढ़ाना कैसे है, हम सीखेंगे हमारे एक्सपर्ट से। इसीलिए पेन और नोटपैड तैयार रखिए। आज के हमारे एक्सपर्ट हैं रोहित रानडे। रोहित रानडे जी पुणे के जाने माने चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हैं। कई सारी संस्थाओं के साथ काम करने का इनका अनुभव है और साथ ही इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट तक के लिए भी ये ट्रेनिंग करते हैं। बहुत बेहतरीन ट्रेनर है ये। तो ओवर टू रोहित जी, ओनली ऑन अर्थार्थ, वी मीन मनी।
Namaskar. This is what I can do really, because this is Corona time. Though we are in unlock 1.0 in Maharashtra, still we have to follow what the government is saying. That is definitely for our benefit, and we are supposed to follow what the government is saying. Normally what happens is the businessmen do get a chance to discuss their problems with their advisors, with their consultants, because they can definitely hire them. But for small businesses, SME sectors as well as individuals, it is really difficult to go and talk to some advisor, a consultant, because they do not have that much of access, first of all, and secondly, the charges which are normally taken by the consultants, chartered accountants as well as advisors, the individuals are not in a position to really pay those. So because of this, what Artharth has started to really educate people about finance as well as accounts. So as the session suggests that it is finance for non-finance people, I am supposed to take you all through the basic concepts of what really finance is, as well as what really one should do to manage his or her finances. So let me first of all take all of you to the concept of finance. So when normally we say that in a business world, you might have heard that somebody will say that I am working in a finance department, or somebody will say I am working in the accounts department. So these two terms, that is accounts and finance, are used interchangeably so casually that a person will always try to understand, or he will feel that finance and accounts is one and the same. Let me first of all clarify all of you that finance and accounts is not the same. Probably I would say that where the accounting ends, the finance starts from there. So accounting is something which is a recording of the transactions which have happened in the past. Let's say, a question comes that whether accounts is only applicable to businesses. The answer is absolutely no. The accounting is equally applicable to individuals as well. So let's say I'm an individual, I'm a salaried employee, and whatever expenses I do, I keep on recording those expenses. So that is something called as accounts. Now let's discuss about what really finance is. So when I account for all these transactions, let's say in a month I have spent a lot of money. My salary is say 1 lakh rupees, and I have spent sumptuous amounts on my food and restaurants and all these things, equally on traveling, equally on some personal purchases and things like that. At the end of the month, I have noted all the expenditure what I have incurred, and now I sit after a month to analyze, I'm saying that what really went wrong while spending. That means if at the end of the month I found out that out of my salary of 1 lakh, approximately 15,000 rupees I have spent on hoteling, right? I also find out that I have done a lot of shopping through my credit cards maybe. So through credit cards I have done a shopping of, let's say 10 to 15,000 rupees. So I can, at the end of the month, I will be able to see that the total expenditure what I have incurred, which I could have excluded, I could have not done this expenditure, I would be able to save 30,000 rupees. At the end, what I have to do is I will be working out my finances, that is the total amount which I had was 1 lakh in my accounts. The expenditure which I have made on my essentials or my day-to-day needs, like it may be a rent also which I have paid, that may be around 50% of the expenditure or the income what I have earned. Rest 50% is something which I have done only for the purpose of my enjoyment, which may not be required. Then the most important part which comes up, whether I have made certain investments or not. What percentage of investments I have made out of my total earnings? This is something on a micro scale. I would say that this is something called as a finances. So finance means managing my cash flows, managing my outflows, managing my investments out of the income which I am going to get. Not only that, also managing my budgets, also managing or ensuring that sufficient funds are kept as reserves in case of difficulties. Let's say for example, I lose my job. In that case, if I have bought a house already, for which I am paying an EMI of 20,000 rupees, then I must ensure every time that at least 6 months provision of that EMI must be kept separate. After keeping that particular amount separately, then only whatever remains is something which I am eligible to spend. This is something relating to a finance. So I hope that you must have understood what really accounts is and what really finance is. So accounts is something recording of transactions of historical nature. So something what has already happened. Whereas finance is something is futuristic, based on the historical transactions what have already been done and what my plans are for future.
उम्मीद है ये एपिसोड आपको पसंद आया होगा। आने वाले एपिसोड्स ऐसे ही जानकारी पूर्ण होंगे, तो इसीलिए अर्थार्थ को सब्सक्राइब करना जरूरी है। लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, आपके सवाल हो तो वो लिख भेजिए और शेयर करना मत भूलिए। गाइस, फाइनेंस बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि धन है तो फन है, राइट?